So Adin Ross has been banned on Twitch. For those of you who don't know, Adin is like one of the biggest streamers on the platform. He's famous mostly for like playing video games, but he also has like some streams where he's just talking. I don't know him that much and I never really watch his streams, so I apologize if I get something wrong. But there is something that I want to talk about. He has never really been known for being a self-improvement, healthy, fit type of guy until he has recently started associating with a certain bald guy. Now, this bald guy did miracles on Adin. He made him shave his head, start going to the gym, start doing self-improvement, start reading books, everything. Adin is now completely a self-improvement guy. Some of you don't understand how good this is because Adin has a huge audience, which means he has a huge influence. And most of his audience is people like him who play video games that are not really healthy. Now, if you're part of his audience, like, no offense, of course not everybody is like that, but I take a guess that usually influencers attract people who are like them. So now when Adin is doing so well on self-improvement, he's starting gym, he shaved his head, he's becoming more masculine, he's reading books, his audience is following his footsteps, which is amazing. His audience is massive, so this many people getting onto self-improvement is a huge dump. But now let's go back to the topic. Adin has been banned. He has been banned of Twitch, not forever. I think it's a 7-day ban. Just now, when he's doing so much good for in self-improvement community, when he's helping so much people, now he's been banned. It's almost like some people in power don't really want this many men to get onto self-improvement. But hey, that's just my conspiracy theory. What do I know? But what can we take away from this video apart from the conspiracy? Adin seems like a changed man. And this should really inspire you. If you're not on self-improvement by now, you're missing out and you need to start immediately. This is your sign. You don't understand how much positive change can come from this. If you just make this decision now and start taking this seriously. Once you see that guy, Adin, build an amazing 10 out of 10 body, then you're gonna regret that you didn't start when he did. So start now. And then you and Adin and me and everybody else can grow together and be on top one day all together because of this moment. I'm so happy to see Adin doing good, and I'm so happy for the influence that he's doing. I hope after this ban passes, I hope he will not have any problems in the future and he will continue doing the good work. God bless Adin. That's all for this video. If you want to see more, there is plenty on my channel. You can subscribe if you want to. That's all I had to say. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.